Hey, it's Hot Rod Ronnie, the freaking eagle. I told everybody when I got rid of that last Chevelle, I was going to start working on Rusty. So I want to show you. Started today. My mirror finally came in. Chevrolet mirror. The other one was broke. I don't know if you ever saw my battery hookup, but I got old 63 Chevrolet seatbelt buckle, and that's the cutoff here for the battery until I get it wired real good. And it's got a drain on it somewhere, but I want to show you what's coming up here. This is not going to be a short video. Here's what I got going on the front. Disc brakes, all new bushings for the front, tie rod ends, whatever, and I also ran across a set of disc brakes for the rear. So I'm going to have 4-wheel disc brakes on this baby. Oh, and this will be riding with me. Savannah's tot rod. I got it finished. She hadn't seen it yet, but looks kind of cool. It's still a pedal car. Got dice to make her safe. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna put the camera down and start this thing up. I can't really drive it like down a driveway or anything. The steering is so tight on it until I get that straightened out, and I might put rack and pinion on it. I don't know. Stay with me while I put the camera down. I wanted to start it anyway before I pull that front end all apart, which is going to happen soon. In the next couple of days. Like maybe tomorrow.